right, good morning or good afternoon, class. Today we're going to do a couple more practice problems on order of operations, but in a different way that you might see it in other places, like in here in fraction form. You have on the numerator on the top, you have 15 minus 3 times 2, and on the bottom, the denominator, you have 5 minus 2. I don't know if you guys knew this, but this line for the fraction actually means division. It's another way to write division in some way that the fraction line. And in many ways, this is exactly like an order of operations problem if we put parentheses on the top and on the bottom. And it basically becomes an order of operations problem. So you do the top first, and then you do the bottom first, and then you divide at the very end. So we're going to treat this, the top side, as like its own little PEMDAS problem. You have 15 minus 3 times 2. The parentheses, there's no parentheses in the top, on the top problem. Exponents, there are none. Multiplication and division, you have this 3 multiplied by this 2. So you do 3 times 2, you have 6. And then you rewrite the entire problem, you have 15 minus 6. Addition and subtraction comes next on the list of PEMDAS. 15 minus 6 equals 9. Now you can write 9 over here, and then you can write the division bar, the fraction line under it. Now we move on to the bottom side, the denominator. You have 5 minus 2. It's pretty simple, just subtraction problem. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now here, I told you that this line means division, so you get 9 divided by 3, which would give you the answer of 3. That would be your final answer, 3. Now, number 2, it's a little bit more complicated because there's much more exponents in play. So in PEMDAS, parentheses first, you have this parentheses right here, and we're basically, inside the parentheses, we're going to treat it as its own little PEMDAS problem. So it's like a small problem in a bigger problem. So you have this 4 squared minus 12. So in this little one, you would have exponents because that would go next, take priority other than subtraction. So you do exponents first. You do this 4 squared, which is 4 times 4. 4 times 4, you would get 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12, you do subtraction next because there's no addition, no division, no multiplication. So you do subtraction next. 16 minus 12 would give you 4. Now don't forget about this 2 right here, this squared right here. You can bring it down to the 4 because it belonged inside the parentheses. Now you rewrite the entire problem. Now we're going to follow PEMDAS once again. Are there any parentheses present? Not exactly. This parentheses is just for the 4, just so you guys don't get confused. Next would be exponents. We actually have 2 exponents right here. We have this 4 squared and the 2 cubed. So you can do them side by side. So now you have 4 squared, you get 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then 2 cubed would be the same as 2 times 2 times 2. Do not do 2 times 3 because the answer is not 6. It's 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 cubed would give you 8. Now you rewrite the rest of the problem. And now there are no multiplication or division. What is left is just addition and subtraction. We're working from left to right. So you have 20 minus 16, you get 4. And then plus 8. 4 plus 8 would give you the final answer of 12. And that would be your final answer for number 2. Now here, number 3, we're just going to be following the exact same thing. I know many other people like making up stories and scenarios for PEMDAS. You know, I'm not that interesting of a guy, but yeah, we're just follow the rules straight up. It's how I learned, and a lot of people will learn the same way, just like following the rules and following PEMDAS, how it says. So parentheses right here. Do we have any parentheses present? We have this 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 would give you 13. Rewrite the entire problem as it is. Do we have any more parentheses present? No, we do not. Do we have any exponents present? Yes, we have this 2 squared right here. 2 times 2. Remember, you're multiplying it by itself. 2 times 2 would give you 4. Now you rewrite the rest of the problem. Do we have any multiplication or division present in the problem? Yes, we do. We have this 3 times 4. So that would take priority rather than addition and subtraction because it is after multiplication and division. 3 times 4 would give you 12. Rewrite the rest of the problem. Now, do we have any more multiplication or division present? No. We only have addition and subtraction left. Addition and subtraction, remember, they're on the same level. They're a pair. Now you're just working from left to right. 14 minus 13 would give you 1. And then you add the 12 finally, and you get the final answer. 1 plus 12 would give you the final answer of 13. So I hope this 3 more practice problems helped you out, and especially this fraction problem, because you're going to see a lot of fractions in your future. Sadly, I know you guys might not like fractions, but we got to do them either way. Hopefully, you guys learn and you guys can succeed in them in the future. All right, thank you.